A, B, 2, and 3 are proportional, then B over A is what? If the four numbers here are proportional, that means the first over the second, A over B, equals the third, 2 over 3, third over fourth. I want to get A over B, so it's 2 over 3. If you want to get B over A, so instead of writing 2 over 3, you write 3 over 2. That's it. If 2x plus 3 over 2x minus 3 equals 2y plus 5 or 2y minus 5, find x over y. Do cross multiplying. So multiply 2x plus 3 multiplied by 2y minus 5, okay, equals 2y plus 5 multiplied by 2x minus 3, okay. Expand, multiply 2x by 2y. 2x by 2y equals 4xy, and 2x by minus 5, it's negative 10x. After that, multiply 3 by 2y, it's 6y. And multiply 3 by minus 5, it's minus 15. Equals. Do the same here. Multiply 2y by 2x, it's 4xy. And multiply 2y by minus 3, it's negative 6y. After that, 5 by 2x, it's 10x. And 5 by minus 3, it's minus 15. We have here minus 15 and here minus 15. So cancel minus 15 and minus 15. And also we have 4xy and 4xy. One cancel another out. You are left with negative 10x plus 6y is equal to negative 6y plus 10x. And don't do this mistake. Don't make this mistake and cancel negative 6y and 6y. They are not the same. I've canceled the like terms because we have equals. If I say to you 3 plus x equals 3 plus x, they are the same. So cancel x and x, cancel 3 and 3. They are like terms in both sides. After that, here, collect like terms. So we can move negative 6y to this side here and move 10x to this side here. So 6y here as it, this 6y, and the negative 6y is going to be moved to this side. It will be plus 6y equals 10x, and minus 10x will be moved with a different sign, 10x. So 6y plus 6y is 12y equals 10x plus 10x, it's 20x. I want to get x over y, so go and don't return alone. X over y equals 12 over 10. 12 over 20, sorry. And simplify, divided by 4, 3, divided by 4, 5. So x over y is equal to 3 over 5. Here 4a plus 3b, 4a equal to 3b. I want to get 4a plus b over 2a minus b. First of all, 4a equals 3b. A over b equals what? Go and don't return alone is equal to a over b is equal to 3 over 4. So a is 3 and b is 4. No. A in this case, it's a ratio. So a is 3m and b is 4m. Do you with me? A is 3m and b is 4m. So I want to get 4a. So 4a, 4 multiplied by, instead of a, you write 3m, and plus b, instead of b, you write 4m, over 2a, instead of a, write 3m, minus b minus 4m. So 4 times 3m, it's 12m plus 4m, over 2 plus times 3, it's 6m minus 4m, okay? 12m plus 4m is 16m, over 6m minus 4m, it's 2m. So 16m over 2m cancel m and m. You are left with 16 over 2, which is 8. So if I said to you to find A over B, remember it, go and don't return alone 3 over 4. And if A over B was equal to 3 over 4, that means that A it's not 3, A is 3M, and B it's not 4, it's 4M. Here we have 21x plus A over 7x plus B is equal to A over B. I want to get A over B. So do cross multiplying. A multiplied by 7x, it's 7AX. And A multiplied by B, it's AB, is equal to B multiplied by 21x, so it's 21BX. And B times A, it's AB. If you look at the both sides, you will get AB and AB. So cancel AB and AB. You are left with 7AX is equal to 21BX. We can divide the both sides by x, divided by x and divided by x. So x and x here have been cancelled. You are left with 7a is equal to 21b. So a over b, go and don't return alone. So a over b is equal to 21 over 7. 21 over 7 is equal to 3. Find the number which if it is added to the 2 times of the ratio 7 to 11, it will be 2 over 3. So assume the number bx, let the number bx, okay? So 7 plus x over 11 plus x, the ratio will be 2 over 3, and do cross multiplying. So 3 times 7 is 21, and 3 times x is 3x is equal to 2 times 11, 22, and 2 times x is 2x. Move 2x to this side and move 21 to this side. So 3x minus 2x is equal to 22 minus 21. 3x minus 2x, it's x. 22 minus 21 is equal to 1. That's the value of x. Let's check it. If you added 7 plus 1 to 7 and 1 to 11, you will get 8 over 12. And 8 over 12, if you simplify it, you would get 2 over 3. So I did it right. Two integers. The ratio between them is 3 to 7. And if we subtracted 5 from each term, the ratio between them becomes 1 to 3. Do you remember Bora's story when I said to you that if the ratio 3 to 7, that means it's not 3 and it's not 7. The ratio between the two numbers, 3 to 7, means 3m and 7m. Okay, so if the ratio between the two numbers 3 to 7, then the two numbers will be 3 to 7. Once again, I said to you the ratio between them is 3 to 7. So assume or suppose that the two numbers, are 3. Assume that the two numbers are 3m and 7m, okay? If we subtracted 5 from each term, so 3m minus 5 over 7m minus 5, the ratio between them becomes 1 to 3, and then do cross multiplying. 3 times 3m is 9m, and 3 times minus 5 is minus 15 is equal to 1 times 7m is 7m, and 1 times minus 5 is minus 5. What is the next? Move 7m to this side, so 9m minus 7m is equal to what? Minus 5 plus 15. 9m minus 7m is what? Is 2m. Is equal to what? Minus 15 plus minus 5 plus 15 is 10. Okay. So divided by 2 both sides, so m is equal to 5. That means the two numbers are 3m. The two numbers are 3m. So it's 3 times 5 equals 15. And 7m, it's 7 times 5 is 35. Let's check our solutions. Here are the two numbers, 15 and 35. If you subtracted from each number 5, so 15 minus 5, it will be 10. And 35 minus 5, it's 30. So 10 over 30, the ratio between them is 1 over 3. So I did it right. So the two integers, the ratio between them 3 to 7, that means the first number, it's not 3, and the second number is not 7. I assumed that the two numbers are 3m and 7m because 3 to 7 is a ratio between them. And if we subtracted 5 from each term, or from each number, so 3m minus 5, and subtract from 7m 5, 7m minus 5, the ratio becomes 1 to 3. Okay, do cross multiplying. After doing that, you will get the value of m. So m is 5. So if m is 5, the two numbers are going to be 3m, so 3 times 5, 15, and 7m, 7 times 5, 35. Okay? Here 2a is equal to 3b is equal to 4c. Find a to b to c. I wanna get rid of this 2, this 3, and this 4. So what is the lowest common multiple of 2, 3, and 4? You know the lowest common multiple of 2, 3, and 4 is 12. And if you divide it, 12 here is divisible by 2, and 12 is divisible by 3, and is divisible by 4. And divide the three sides by 12. Divide the three sides by 12. Okay. And then simplify. I have here 2 and 12 divided by 2, 1, and divided by 2, 6. So that is equal to a over 6. That is equal to what? Here 3 and 12 divided by 3, 1, and divided by 3, 4. So that is equal to b over 4 equals. Here 4 and 12 divided by 4, 1, and divided by 4 is 3. That is equal to c over 3. Then, if you remember, we have studied before that the top over the top is equal to the bottom over the bottom. Remember it, I said to you before, if x over 4 is equal to y over 5. So what is x over y? X over y is equal to what? 4 over 5. X over y. The top over the top is equal to the bottom over the bottom. Okay? So here we have top here, and here's top, and here's top. So we can say the top to the top to the top, A to B to C is equal to what? Bottom 6 to 4 to 3, because we have three ratios. So A over B over C is equal to what? 6 to 4 to 3. Find the number which is subtracted from each of the following numbers to be proportional. 16, 21, 14, and 18. So 16 minus x, and 21 minus x, and 14 minus x, and 18 minus x. They are proportional if we subtracted x from each number. So 16, 21, 14, and 18, they are not proportional, but if we subtract the number, I don't know, is x. If we subtract this x from each number, they are going to be proportional. So in this case, you will say that the first over the second, 16 minus x over 21 minus x is equal to what? The third over the fourth, 14 minus x over 15 minus x. Okay, do cross multiplying. So here 16 minus x multiplied by 18 minus x, okay, is equal to what? 21 minus x multiplied by what? 14 minus x, okay. So multiply. يلا اعمل expand كده. 16 times 18 is equal to what?
288.
288. And 16 times negative x, negative 16x. And negative x times 18, negative
negative
18x.
18
And negative x times negative x, it's x
x power 2.
is equal to. Here we have 21 times 14,
294 x 294
294, and minus 21x. And here minus x multiplied by 14, it's negative
minus
14x.
14x
And here plus x to the power. Okay. After that, cancel x to the power of 2 here and x to the power of 2. You are left with 288 minus 16 minus 18 equals what?
16 minus what?
Minus 16 minus 18 minus
ده
84x equals 294, and the negative 21 minus 14, it's negative 35x. Okay, move this and move this side. So negative 34x plus 35x is equal to 294 minus 288. Negative 34x and plus 35x is x. 294 minus 288 equals 6. Here we have a given. What is this given? The given is a plus b over b is equal to what? C plus d over d. And I want to prove that a, b, c, and d are proportional. And they are proportional if I manage to prove that a over b is the same as c over d. So what we are going to do here, just cross multiply. So a plus b multiplied by d, d times a, it's ad, and b times d, it's bd, is equal to what? B times c is bc, and b times d is bd. Then we have bd and bd, they have been cancelled. You are left with ad is equal to what? bc. So a over b is equal to what? If you did it, because we have two numbers multiplied and they are equal to b times c. So go and don't return alone. A over b here in this case is equal to what? C over d. So that happens if they are proportional. That happens if A, B, C, and D are proportional. I managed to prove, or I reached that A over B is equal to C over D. So they are proportional. I hope you enjoyed this session. See you in the coming episode.